everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Channel. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Get to know a South African actress, Hlelo from UZalo. Her real name is Nothando Ngcobo, born November 1 in 1994. She was born and raised in Hammersdale, KZN. Please check her full video and comment below about her character on UZalo. Bye.
Oh, hey, Nicole, you're the first person here. Sawubona. Ninjan, guys. Let's wait for more people to come through. Uhlekani, Sam, uhlekani. Hi guys. Ninjan. We mustn't bangaga. Oh my gosh. Hi. Niapil. Guys, I'm not trying my life, but I'm here. Ning sees. Nan. What's in mountain? Ninja, guys. Oh. I'm not trying my life, guys, but in his own seas. I just wanna. Buputrala. I hope, guys, Hlelo was going through the most. I'm judge. Just like the rest of us. Where's the scar? Hi, Kenny. Is it Kenny? Kenny Lady K Jansis. Oh, guys, ngiyabonga. Where is the guys? Hey, ngixoxela about Hlelo's alcohol thing. Guys, it's not like she likes alcohol. She's just going through a lot, just like the rest of us. Like she's just she's going through the most right now. Really messed up her life. Now she contributed to her life being this bad because of her bad decision making. Oh, you guys are so sweet. My Instagram handle is Nothando. My Instagram handle is Nothando Ngcobo. Naze nangihleka, guys. That's all I'm gonna say for now, because yes, guys, in life we all have different challenges, and some people don't know how to deal with izinto that happen in their life, so they just choose alcohol. It's quite sad, but we all deal with stress differently, guys. She's goishing. Guys, thank you for tuning in. You guys have been so nice to me. Yeah, I love being on UZalo right now. Oh, my director, one of our directors just joined. Hey, Nothando, how are you? Where are you? I really enjoy being on this show. All the love that you guys have given me so far, it's been amazing. Hello, guys, please. I don't wear makeup, I don't wear makeup on the show as well. Hlelo doesn't wear makeup, so namanje I'm not wearing any makeup. This is how I look. If I Vaseline and pale, I just took some Vaseline, like a wardrobe. Maybe I should put on some more. Yeah, so I just literally put on Vaseline and then I leave the house. This is how I make my lips shine, guys. Tips for the ladies. Oh, and I also like lip gloss. Yes, I do pray. I pray a lot. I'm glad you mean. Midnight prayers. Nizabona phambili uhlelo who she's gonna end up with. But you guys can keep guessing. I'll put up a poll on my personal Instagram since you guys are so interested. Ngicela smile. Okay. Yanda, I hope you're ready. This is so weird, guys. Okay, you can ask me anything about Hlelo and character and her journey, but you guys are going to enjoy Hlelo. She's well written. The writers did a really great job. Everyone's doing so amazingly well. And the directors, the crew, everyone, the cast. Nanoot, I'm new, so wonke umuntu nje has been so helpful in helping me build Hlelo's character. So yeah, shout out to UZalo, UZalo crew, cast, everybody. Shout out to Stained Glass. Where are you from? I'm from Hammersdale. Skincare routine. Yeah, I'll post it on my personal IG account. But guys, it's very simple. My favorite ingredient is glycerine on my skin. But yeah, I'll show you guys on my Instagram. How did I become an actress? Well, I've always wanted to be an actress, yes, ever since I was a child. Like, I remember I did a play in grade 1, and afterwards everyone was clapping, and I was like standing there, and I was like, what the hell is going on? Why is everyone clapping for us? Shit, I want to do this. Oh my gosh, am I allowed to swear? Sorry, guys. Yeah, so then I started watching Generations, and I love Dulinda so cool, guys. Like, she's amazing. I can't wait to work with her one day. And then I went to varsity and I did a marketing degree. Then after my degree, I went to market theater, where I did a short course for 6 months. I actually need to go and finish it. Then after that, I auditioned, and yeah. I'm very natural, I'm very simple. Like, I look like this in real life. I look like this. I hardly wear wigs anymore. But now I'm just like, hey, gashies. Yeah, even though I love a good wig as well. Hi guys. And I'm enjoying this. Ngiyaphila. No, Hlelo doesn't like drinking. Ukuthi nje, she's just going through so much in her life that it just led her to drink. Stress, and you guys will soon find out why she's so stressed out. And I hope after that you won't judge her so much. It's not about uphuza, it's just some of us deal with stress differently. Yeah. Hey, angazi guys, I angazi about that. UZalo auditions, just check them out. Maybe post. Can you please move around? Okay, I'm in the makeup room. I'm at 6. There's no one here with me. So this is our makeup room, I guess. I don't know if you guys can see. No, there's no one here with me. I'm all by myself because I'm actually not shooting Langikon. I have to leave. Okay, my mind. I'm 26 years old. Yeah. I'm from, I already said I'm from Hammersdale. Thank you guys. I've been in Hlego. I'm not in Hlego. Aww. Ngizonsendela skincare routine, I promise you. Like, I've been getting that question a lot from a bunch of people, so I'll do it. I'll do it soon. I don't have an agency. I just go to open auditions, so just watch out. People are always posting when there's opportunities. Yeah, Sharon, if you want to be an actor, go and pursue it, girl. Go to school. That's my biggest advice. You can't just act. People usually think that acting is easy, but it's a very tricky profession. So my biggest advice would be nihambe niyofunda. Go to your nearest theaters, ask, go get an acting coach, yeah, guys, I have to go. So I'm usually for 10 minutes. So I guess I will see you next time. Hopefully, thank you guys. Thank you. Okay, guys, I have to go. Bye bye. Ngizonibona ningakhohlwa ukubuza lo ntambama. Okay. Bye guys. I will see you soon.